I tried growing 3 times, killed it every time. Wrong soil, wrong lights, wrong newts. And the smell, Jesus. That's the kind of review you'll find on the market. Too much info online. Lots of people just wanted to grow, not become a freaking botanist. That's why we built her. EVA, Evolutionary Vegetable Advisor. She takes care of everything. Water, feeding, lights, and you just check in. EVA works just like nature. All the necessary components are already inside our soil cartridge. You just add water and watch the magic happen. For the first time ever, I actually made it. On my own. That's what the first grow review should sound like. And that's exactly why we created EVA. If you've ever thought it was too hard, this is your chance. We're launching EVA on Kickstarter. First batch, only 50 boxes. Get in early.